Today, we have to look at stamina, endurance, performance, how to make it stiff. And guys, I'm requesting you, if this is your first time to watch a video from this YouTube channel, is the tips 256. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And at the end of this video, please share to your friends or to different groups. Okay? And remember, if you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, for such videos, go to YouTube and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge. And when you subscribe, you won't miss out any video which I upload every day. So go and support me on YouTube. But remember, you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, less than 5 minutes. My dear, you need this some recipe, okay? So without wasting a lot of time, let's go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you more about this home recipe after knowing the ingredients and after knowing the way we make this home remedy at home. First of all, we need 2 pieces of garlic. It means you have to get garlic only 2 pieces. This is 1. These are 2. Only 2 pieces. Don't forget to remove the outer parts. So right now I'm going to clean our 2 pieces of garlic. So we clean our garlic, remove the outer parts. And don't forget that we need only 2 pieces. This is our garlic, guys. This is our garlic, 2 pieces. This will help you to cure your problem permanently. If you have ever done masturbation, you don't last long in bed, you like to improve your performance, to make your joystick stiff, strong, and energetic during bedtime, please, you need 2 pieces of garlic. And if you're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, please go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe for more. Remember, when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Subscribing is for free of charge. So start grating your garlic. As you see, guys, only 2 pieces are enough. We just need only 1 cup. And this one, we need a cup. Bring it here, put it aside. Okay, so the next we need fresh ginger. Just a simple piece would be enough. Like this one, be enough. So this one we are going to clean it, remove the outer parts of ginger. Guys, make sure that you watch the entire video from the beginning of the end. And I told you, please don't be so selfish. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and I would like to know where you come from. So please leave the name of your country in the comment section so that we get to know where you come from. Because me, I come from Uganda. What about you? So we need only ginger right now. You also grate your ginger, as you see. Grate it. Also, here's our ginger. As you guys bring it into your cup. Yes. Next, we need Nescafe. Just 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. Don't forget. It's enough. Nescafe, guys. Bring it here. Now we need hot water. Hot water. So bring hot water. Good. Mix very well. Very interesting and powerful. Now lastly, we need orange. Okay, look for orange. You need orange juice. Just a half piece. This is enough. One piece. So we need the orange juice here. Okay. Orange juice. Mix again. Now we want to leave it for 2 minutes. Okay. For 2 minutes. Then from that we are going to filter our home remedy. But make sure that you leave it for 2 minutes. As you see, very interesting but powerful. So after 2 minutes, we're going to filter. So here we go, guys. Very interesting, very romantic. So you need this to change your life forever, to bring back your performance forever, to be romantic, to be stiff, to be strong, to be a horse during bedtime. This is what you need, guys. We have seen the procedures, the ingredients. We have known how to make such amazing home remedy at home. So my dear brother, stop fighting for manpower, stop crying for manpower. Only this home remedy will cure your problem permanently. It means when you use it, you'll become okay permanently. Okay? But please subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you're a newcomer, our policy is to subscribe, to leave a comment, and to share. Okay? If you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, go to YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, manpower is the key. Happiness starts from here. Now, I want you to take one glass every day. Okay? Take one glass every day, at least for 4 weeks. This comes to 1 month. Take it every day for 4 weeks. Trust me, you won't remain the same.